Hello guys, welcome to the video and to the channel. Today we're at the beach and along with my siblings here, there's Georgia. Say hi.
Hi.
There's Henry there, busy with Frodo, and Frodo's busy at the water. Raven's just idling at the moment, but we're under good weather, which is nice, and we're on the same spot as the one where we showed the other vlogs like a few weeks ago or a month. So yeah, it's very clear now. That wind turbines are very clear. Everything's looking nice. No rough seas, which is good. That's why we're able to go to the beach. No waves gonna drag us. So yeah, it's low tide. If I remember, the waves were like up to there during that time. So it's very nice, very nice. Getting some fresh air, guys. Not just, you know, hindi lang nagsistay sa bahay, di ba?
That's what I found.
What's that? What did you find? Oh!
It's kind of like a fossil, but it's just like a, I thought it was just you're not sure if this is a fossil though. You're not sure.
Yeah, Georgia just found a stone here that looks unusual, guys. May pattern, no? Nakikita nyo? Yeah. Akala namin fossil stone, but
You never know we'll find a fossil that's
it's like different material from the rest of the stone, so it should be. Yeah, you might as well keep this. So yeah, nice find for Georgia. He's scared of the water.
Someone pick him up and throw him in the water.
Further, go to the water.
Someone throw him in there.
Come on. No.
He's scared. Yeah, hadlokang tubig yung iro, guys. Yeah, just we told us, like I think we told you before, there's a lot of wind farm over there, wind turbines. There, I don't know if it's very clear. There's plenty of them. Basta sa mga rason nga way run out dire. So oh, we should do that again. It's like a horse. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. He's so wet now. Raven! Hey, Raven!
You're getting me involved. I don't want water.
Raven! Hey! Raven! Could you do a review comparing the sea here and to the Philippines? It's cold, isn't it? Yeah. He's so scared of the water. What's he doing?
He's trying to get his own shadow.
He's getting used to the water, guys.
Let's go.
Why is it there?
Trying nakita. Hey! Go back there! Go back to your habitat!
Oh, there's a crab!
Hello? I'm too afraid to go to the water. My shoes are not ready for it. At least I could go here.
Yo, the water's gonna have a high tide.
The path.
Oh, because the water's you can't find the rock guys. There's a one guy in the water, you know, it's a waterfall.
Oh no! No, no!
No, it's very intimidating. You might as well.
Here, crab!
So cute.
If Roger saw that, he would have had fight.
I have balance.
And we're struggling.
It's okay.
Just put your shoes on. Yeah. There we go.
Oh god, if he pushes me, I'll die. That's called a reflex, guys.
While you're
He failed it. He stepped on the sand.
I have to try and get them off.
Why did you finish it?
Because you don't need it, do you? It's my
Still.
water.
You might fail again and
Who
then
put that there?
I told you might fail.
Ah!
Leave him. Yoga. Yoga.
T position.
Oi! Help me out!
Don't help him. Don't help him. Don't help him. Don't help him.
Hey, Frodo wants to help him. Why? Oh no.
I'll get you for this.
Oh no no, the puppy's here, the puppy's here, the puppy's here. Lick, the puppy's here even. Oh no, the puppy's here. Oh no, the puppy. Oh no. So cute.
Royal!
Okay guys, uwi na kami. But this guy was enjoying his walk / diving in the sea. Alright guys, we arrived at the house now. Everything's settled. Frodo's been washed. You know, he was full of sand, his fur. So yeah, we're at the house, we're settling in now. And before I end the video, I'm gonna do a shout out to Liam, who was a viewer who commented in a previous video, and he asked about what was my greatest moment of my life. And the answer for that was when our parents got us here in England, in the UK, a few years ago. And you know, we were apart for 5-6 years. We were living with our grandmother and with our uncle as well at that time when we were apart. So and then he got us here, and we live together now. It was a very nice experience to get here. You know, we got to experience different things, different weather, different people, different culture, different personalities, individuals. You know, you name it. It was like all different. And also we had to get used to English. Although we knew English before we came here, but speaking the actual language, like face to face with the native speaker, was something that we had to get used to, you know, in the beginning. So yeah, just to tell you that it was quite, overall it was a very nice experience. Until now I still reminisce, like, you know, think about it. So yeah, hopefully that was alright, and I'm gonna end the video there now, guys. I'm not gonna drag it more. So yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for stopping by, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like the video, and if you're new here and you liked it as well, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.